This is such a beautiful beanie, perfect for a newborn baby on a cold winter's morning. The wool is soft, super soft, and it's been hand dyed and hand spun. And this is the perfect pattern for a multicoloured wool. Cast on 50 stitches. Start with 5 rows of rib stitch, 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl. 10 centimetres of our pattern, knit 5, purl 5, and 2 rows of decreasing to create the crown of our beanie. Using size 5mm needles, you'll have this knitted in no time at all. I hope you enjoy knitting this beanie as much as I have. It feels beautiful and looks absolutely divine on a newborn. Knit 5 stitches. Yarn to the front and towards you. Purl 5. Purl 5. And that completes our pattern. Continue all the way around. Now that you've knitted 10 centimetres and you have 5 rows of your band, it's time to decrease. To decrease the number of stitches so that you create the crown of your beanie, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together. Continue all the way around. With a tapestry needle, gently slide the stitches on and feed the yarn through. Gently feed the yarn through. Turn your beanie inside out. Pull the crown of the beanie. Don't pull too tightly or the yarn will snap. To secure the top of the beanie, you only need to pick up a few stitches. Turn your beanie inside out and it's finished. Oh, it looks absolutely divine. The crown looks beautiful. It has this lovely thick rib. It feels soft and will be perfect for a newborn baby. Oh, I'm really happy with this one. Beautiful.